I mean the recording button. Did you press it?
I did.
Okay, cool.
Miss Regina.
Yes, and so then we can start with our video, with our interview.
Of course, Miss Regina.
So are you open for a little exercise, my dear?
I'm open. I'm totally open.
Sorry. So you're totally open. Sorry, something is, I have a problem, but
is that part of the exercise? Do I have to bow my head?
So I have a problem, but I decided not having a problem, you know? So look, I have it's a kind of
bottle. Oil.
It's oil, yes. It's, how is it called? Healthy oil.
Oil with aromas?
Yes, yeah. So please don't drink it. So please make this a little drops on the hand, and then
yes,
do this. So how do you call this in English, making this?
Rubbing the hands, I would say.
Okay. So you never stop.
Of course not.
So, oh, I'm tired. Oh.
You said never stop.
Yeah, never stop. So what is the exercise about? So what is happening in the brain? Something is happening in the brain when you're doing this.
Synchronizing when you rub your hands.
Synchronizing the two.
I learned it in Tai Chi.
Okay. You're synchronizing your brain.
Okay, the left and the right brain is synchronizing now.
Wow, that's cool.
You are doing Tai Chi. We are giving Tai Chi lessons with our big Tai Chi master, Regina Rex.
Okay. So, and now the two parts of the brain are synchronized. And please tell me, Bettina, what can we do with this now?
You mean with our brain?
Yes, with our synchronized brain.
We can, for example, we can laugh about it.
It's good.
No more need to think.
Yeah.
Because we can think with our whole mind, with our heart, with our belly. We are one.
So do you observe something different? So how was it before and how is it now? It's same or different?
It should be different, but as we are on Zoom, I don't know whether we can see it. I guess if we would see our eyes before and after, the eyes would be, how can I say, the expression would be very more similar.
Mm. I feel quite relaxed and free and kind of empty.
Yes, you're right.
Mm-hmm.
We can also now let our jaw, is that the jaw?
Yeah.
Let it sink. Us relax our jaws. Yes, and make a little massage here. Then we can make so with our lips. And make a crazy face. Who makes the most crazy face?
We're doing really quatsch.
No, I understand why today is the day of the blue monkey.
Yeah.